Well, hello everyone, welcome to the workshop. So today we're going to be building a rain barrel stand. So if you remember, in one of the last videos we went to the Marine Resources Council and we did that video with Nicole there and talked all about the Indian River Lagoon, the health of it, mangroves, and another thing we talked about were rain barrels. When I was there, I happened to have bought a rain barrel from them. Remember in the video she mentioned how you could buy the rain barrel for 55 bucks. So I did that, added a little bit of donation on top of it, and now we have a rain barrel. So one important thing with a rain barrel is making sure it's on a flat, level surface and elevated so that you can fill it up from the bottom. Right now mine is on some milk crates, and it works, and I know I wanted to update it, but I traveled for a week, and now I'm back, and I can finally make a slightly better base for it. So that's what we're going to do today. I have an old fence post that previous owners of this house left some fence material here. And I'm finally on the last fence post, and I went out and I needed to buy one more fence post. So I plan to make a structure where the rain barrel sits down inside. There's 4 legs, and it's pretty much a bunch of half lap and cross lap joints. So we're going to be using the circular saw to cut little thin pieces out. Then I'm going to hammer out the sections, and then we're going to make our joints go together. So today's video, most of it is just going to be making joints and then gluing the pieces together afterwards. So that's the purpose of this, and again, elevating this rain barrel off the ground is important. Sometimes other things you can use, a lot of people use cinder blocks, work perfectly fine, but I know I had this 4x4 beam sitting here, so I wanted to try to use that, but then I needed a little bit more based on my measurements I was making for my design, so I went and bought one more, even with the crazy wood prices now, and so we're going to finish it with that piece, and it should be pretty cool. Alrighty, first step here is to make our cuts. I have my sliding compound miter saw here. Now like I said, I did go buy a post at Home Depot, but I got it cut there so it'd fit in my car. So I already have these sections are going across the middle, so 31 inches across, going each way, and then I'm gonna have 4 legs, 24 inches tall, 12 inches up, 12 inches down. So the rain barrel will be off the ground by 12 inches, and I already checked with my watering can. It'll fit under and get under the spigot just fine if we are 12 inches up. So again, 4 slices, 4 legs, 24 inches, and then 2 cross beams of 31 inches, and that should fit the 24-inch rain barrel just fine in the middle. All right, let's make the cuts. Alrighty, now since I have all the boards cut to size, we're going to measure out where I'm going to make all of these cross cuts with the circular saw, and they're going to be, half a board length in depth. So these slats are going to be going across halfway up, and then also crossing in the middle. So we're going to have a cut in over here for a half lap, a cut in over here, and then one in the middle for where they come together in the middle in a cross pattern, just like that. But these ones are the legs going up, and I want these crosses to be 12 inches up, so the base is going to be 12 inches. Guess what? We are ready to do a dry assembly. Ta-da! Yeah, so those ends will be tight, but it'll work. So, if you're wondering why it looks like this, the rain barrel sits right in here. So dry fit is good. Now I got to figure out how I want to put it all together. So of course I'm going to use glue, and I'll probably put 2 screws in each one. So I'll put the cross beam together first, and then we'll add the side pieces. Here it is. We have done it. Now, because like the 2x4s are rounded, not 2x4s, because the 4x4s are rounded, they're not clean joints. This one's pretty good in the middle, but this is pretty sturdy. Yeah, that's gonna work great. So I'll check my final distance right here going across. Perfect. Rain barrel is 24 inches, so that'll slide right into there, and everything's gonna fit just fine. Nice. But yes, today we had a successful build, and again, I will show the final product with the rain barrel in it once I get this outside. But that's all I have for inside the garage. So thank you for being here, thank you for hanging out, and thank you for watching. And here it is. So it looks great out there with the rain barrel in it. So this is, again, that rain barrel I bought from the Marine Resources Council. You can see their Save the RL sticker, and it came with everything you needed, the spigot, the top, and the whole 9 yards. Also note that in this, I do not have a spouting coming down into the rain barrel. That's because my roof has a poor design and water flows off like crazy the top corner here. So it just goes right in. So there's a perfect spot for it, and I'm looking forward to watering my garden with it. But that's all I have for today. If you have questions, let me know. But if not, I'll see you all next time, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.